Right, girls, so hopefully you've been able to develop your document where it's got the grids or guidelines. However, what we're going to do now is we're going to use this thing called the pen tool, okay? And this is the key to Illustrator. The pen tool creates shapes that can later be used as logos or as symbols, etc. But what I'd like you to do now is just to learn the basics of that. So click on the pen tool, not the one with the curvature tool, okay? So not this one here, just the pen tool, plain one here, just at the top. And down here, you've got the fill as being white. And what I'd like you to do is have that as a see-through fill or no fill. So click on the red stripe here, so it's a see-through, and then a black stroke here, okay? And the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to zoom in, and that's Command plus. And I'm going to use my guides to help me. We're going to make our first shape, okay? And what the pen tool does is it creates lines using these anchor points. And once we get good at making basic shapes, we can then make more complex shapes. So we start off with and our guides are going to help us. So we go click, release, okay? And that allows us to have our anchor point. Now, you'll notice that I need 2 anchor points to make a line or to make a stroke. And I'm going to go click in the corner. And you can see that it's now, that blue line has now become our black fill, okay? I will then go click. Okay, and you'll notice here when I go to the top here, you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Click, there's 4 anchor points, and I'm going to come right up to the beginning again. And you'll see when there's a circle, that means we finished our shape. Okay, and that's what we always want to do. We want to always be able to finish our shape. And we will go click again, okay? We can go back to our move tool now. We have now, Command negative to zoom out, I've now got a shape in Illustrator. I can go Command C, Command V, I can make a copy. I can drag that out, make that larger and smaller. I just want one for now, and I'm going to undo what I've done just so I can see where we're at. If we ever make a mistake while we're generating our shapes, we can always delete, okay? So if I ever make a mistake, I can just start again. So have a go at practicing that. Click, click, release, click, release, and back to the top again, okay? And you'll notice here if I've made a little mistake here, what I can do, go back to my little, the white direct selection tool. I can select on different anchor points, and using my arrow key, I can straighten up my shape, okay? Using my little arrow key on my keyboard there. Have a go and try and make a square.